Welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you the only authentic Dukkah spice recipe that has been used for generations on the African continent. Dukkah is an Egyptian spice that is made using herbs, nuts and spices, usually as a topping for their breads. But keep watching because I'm going to show you how to make a lovely dip that is surely going to impress everyone. So let's get started. To a saucepan, add 1 cup of sliced almonds. Add in 3/4 cup of sesame seeds, and this gives the dukkah a lovely sweet flavor, so make sure you use a good quality one. Then add in 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Mix all these ingredients together and allow them to lightly roast over high heat. Once it changes color, place in a coffee grinder and blend this. Store this in an airtight container, and this will last you for up to 6 months to a year. Use this as a rub and even over your breads with butter and olive oil. Let's now make our cream cheese dip. For this dip, I'm going to use 1 small, full-fat, smooth cream cheese tub, and I'm going to empty it out into a deep-based plate. Then I'm going to place some fig jam in the center, and this can either be store-bought or made at home. Once I've done that, I'm going to drizzle some dukkah spice over it and make sure you use a generous amount over the cream cheese. Garnish with some toasted pistachios and drizzle some raw honey over this. And your dip is ready to be served. Enjoy!